Do you own a car? Do you run a dash cam in that car? I apologise for that over the top intro. I will stop it now. Anyway, when was the last time you checked the dash cam in your car? And we're going to go through it in stages. When was the last time you checked that it actually powered on? Because we all get so used to our dash cam sitting there in the window, kind of doing what they do, that we probably don't even give it a second thought. So the first thing, does it actually power on? Because the chance are it probably hasn't powered on for ages. You just haven't realised. So yes, it powers on. Is it recording? Because just because it powers on doesn't mean it's necessarily recording. So check that it is actually recording. And the third thing, when was the last time you checked the files on the dashcam? You see, I got this tip off of the Skoda Yeti forum. There was a member on there that I think he had a prang and he thought, well, it's okay, I've caught it all on my dashcam. He took the dashcam out of his car, took it home, downloaded the files, and then find out that the files were corrupted, didn't work, or something like that. That's a horror situation to be in, especially when it comes down to insurance claims. This dashcam could mean the difference between you not being at fault at all and it being a 50-50 claim, or worse still, that you end up fully to blame even though you swear blind that it wasn't your fault. And it's one of them situations. You want to capture any sort of incident on dashcam, right? So when was the last time you checked yours? If you haven't for a while, we've got this little Nextbase 212 dashcam in our car. You got two ways of kind of checking it. One being we've got a little USB, mini USB in the top there. Yes, cables can be hard to find nowadays that are mini USB. Potentially you can plug into the top and access the files that way. But the best way is to pop the SD card out of its slot. Runs on chances are a little mini SD card. Put that into your computer. Even if you have to use a mini SD to a bigger SD converter, put it into your computer and just scan through the files. Is it recording well? Is the picture quality good? Is it angled in a sensible direction? Has the dash cam gone faulty and showing all sorts of weird colours that it's working, but it's not actually recording well because the sensor inside or something's gone up the swanny? This could save you a whole lot of heartache, and I thought I'd put this video together because it's one of them things, much like a lot of things in life, like testing your smoke alarms, for example, that you always think, oh, it's there, it's working, it's fine, but you never actually get around to doing. So yeah, do us a favour, next time you're in your car, take your dash cam out, take it inside, check the files on the SD card. I bet you any money there'll be a comment left below at some point in the future where someone's turned around and said, yeah, I checked the files and do you know what, they were all corrupt. Like it was recording, it looked fine, everything was working fine, but yet the files were not there to be seen or they didn't work. And this could save you a whole lot of pain in the future. But yeah, that's it for this little short video. If you want to see another video like this, if I can get my words out correctly, then click up here. If you want to subscribe to the channel, click down here. And also thank you to our Buy Us a Coffee people that have brought us a cup of tea or cup of coffee. Hard drive costs to store videos, for archiving, that sort of thing costs a fortune. Licensing software like Epidemic Sounds, when I use music in videos, it costs a small fortune. There's a lot of costs involved in making these videos, so it's really appreciated when people do buy us a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. Also, thank you to our YouTube members. That also goes into the same pot. Thank you very much to those that have took membership out. You get to see these videos nice and early if you've done that, so thank you very much. Hopefully you're enjoying the early access to the videos before everyone else gets to see them. But yeah, thank you everyone, and I'll see you in the next top tips video, show video, who knows.